Washo DJ Sbu, wathi hug a tree. Hug a tree. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Bathi umntimantu mabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Ngithi kuwe welcome to King Ginger TV. It's going crazy, going bananas. Hug a tree. Mawukuthi ukhona umuntu ongasamthandi hlukana naye. Hug a tree and leave umuntu okuhlukumentayo kulo relationship yakho. This is your time to be free. Come to King Ginger TV. Uthi nje angisakufuni. King Ginger, please help me. I will definitely do the right thing. Ngizonihlukanisa nithanda ningathandi. Uthi nje ngimgibeza itaxi mina. Isifebe nje ngisigibeza itaxi mina. Angibhedelwa mina. Rest in peace to ubaba uMahlase. uMahlase akabhedelwa. Mngani wami, lale kahle ulale ngoxolo, ulale ngokuphumula baba uMahlase. Ngigqoke i-tracksuit namhlanje ngoba bengifuna nje ukushaya i-spin kick sakho, bese ngithi rest in peace siqala ishow. Ile spin kick esashaya iFan Dam. uMahlase akabhedelwa. Washaya ngisho uTompo. Today kazubani ozohlukana nomunye. Asibahlukanise. In a loving memory of ubaba uMahlase. Take me to kwabahlukanayo. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Bathi umntimantu mabuya ubambolunya uhlase. Welcome to Angisakho Funi. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, breaking up now. My sister, hey, what made you go to why the people? Why the We are back at it, Mtanami. As you all know, this is your #1 show on King Ginger TV, Angisakho Funi. It's whereby I give people a platform to break up. Ziyakhala, kuyahlukanwa la. Wonke umuntu nje la uhamba eyibambile indaba zakhe. My sister la ungibhalelile uthi kumina Ginger, ngisize mfowethu ungikhiphe kuleli gibhithe la le ndoda lena ngoba ngathi hayi asizona. Ngathi ayasizona ngathi mina I know sister zwakala ngiyibona indaba yakho ukuthi kuhamba kanjani sibona sister ngicela welcome umledze shendele bobo awuhlale ngapha mntaka mame unjani
hayi ngiright unjani wena
ngiyaphila ubani igama sisi
ngikuthobela
uthobela
yebo
uthobela umjolo ukwenzani usegoli kupholiwe
hayi cha sengizwe ngawo I can't anymore. No.
What's going on?
No, umjita aka understand uzendlini late uyaphuza aka yenzi next like I'm literally doing everything myself. On top of that I'm helping his family. So haika ngeke shem.
So umthola kanjani umjita? How did you guys meet at first and how was the relationship when you guys started dating?
Beku grand ne?
Yes.
Beku grand when we met. And he was loving vele kumnandi
yeah kumnandi
inkinga yaba ngekuthi mina I got a job that was paying more than what he's earning yeah inkinga yahleka khona apho but kunjalo nje I'd respect him you know I thought ukuthi like he was going to ukuthi athi kumna no since Spanish everything is now looking good
sure
he encourages me instead of encouraging me ngibhekela phansi
yeah downgrade amanje
you see now
ufuna ukuba ngenhla all the time
ngeke I've been patient like I've been patient
so ufuna ukumtshela ukuthini makafika lana
no ansafuni vele I don't want
all right ngeke ushintshe umqondo
no ngeke no
so ukhona no busumtholile in sister mhlawumbe umunye omtsha
lutho angisafuni sengikhathele
sister manje makuba dry uzoyenza njani ngoba phela umuntu wakho lona awuboni mhlawumbe maningalungisa
Akusafuni mina lokho. Mina
Alright.
angisafuni.
Hayi.
Sengigrand.
Hayi sister sekhulumile.
Angisafuni.
Welcome. Hayi sister sekhulumile ngicela usondele. Sekhulumile sister. Sure. Sister, umfowethu lo umfoka Dlamini. Welcome my sister Kwatile. Shubile lana mfethu. Umfowethu lo umfoka Dlamini sister uthi he's got two options for you. Your hubby or your baby, your ex baby. Makafika la it's either simnika u50 masumdampile so that azogibela itaxi abuyele ekhasi or sinibuyisela noyi2 ngale moto esinilethe ngayo.
Mnikeze 50 rand.
I50 ne?
Mnikeze 50 agibela hambe.
Okay, sister uthi ngcono semnqonani ku50 okay, cela uvele umdilize adilike lapha thuphuza kakhulu. So sister wena uphuzini?
Angiphuzi mina. Angiphuzi, angibhemi, angiphuzi. Umuntu lo waqala vele engaphuzi engabhemi.
Ish. Oh manje uzotestela zonke lezi.
Ay ngeke shem. Ngeke.
Uzotesta amandla akhe.
Manje uyabo? Kimi. Hayi kuhamba uyotestela le.
Hayi.
Kude le, not kimi. Soze shem.
Hayi bafana le.
Yes.
Uyibhutile webafana.
Nguyibhutile bafana nalona.
Oh. This side mfowethu.
Yeah, Papa.
How's it?
I'm good, you, Papa.
Sharp. My name is King Ginger.
Nice to meet you, King
Your
Ginger.
name is?
Ashley.
Ashley.
Yes,
Ashley,
King
nice
Ginger.
to meet you. You know the lady next to me, right?
Yes, sir.
She's been telling me about you, Ashley, the way you guys are in a good relationship, the way you love each other. What is it that you love about her?
She's caring. She's loving.
Yes.
She's honest.
Ah,
Yes, my brother.
yes. And so on your spare time, what do you like to do?
I enjoy hanging out with the guys.
Yeah.
Have a few drinks.
Yeah.
Going to prize and
Yeah.
parties.
Parties.
Yeah.
So you do that with your guys.
Yes.
What do you do with her?
We do go out sometimes.
Yeah.
Few drinks.
Yeah.
Take her out to the mall.
Sometimes.
Yeah, buy some clothes.
Aye, wena.
Food.
So now there's a problem here. And we want to build. She wants to surprise you. But she wants to know how much you love her.
Yeah, I love her a lot.
Nah.
Yes, I love her with all my heart, man.
What
She's
is
a part of my soul, yes.
Nazonya la.
There's something that she wants to tell you. Sorry.
Okay.
Sister, Kautete, Kaupodle, there's something that she's really wants to tell you because it's a surprise. Sister, Matet. Ashley Nangumame.
Ash, now I'm not happy at all. I've been telling you to change your ways. I don't know how many times I keep telling you, do not drink.
Do not.
Do not drink.
Do not.
I don't know how many times I tell you, your smoking is now way too much. I cannot handle it.
Too much.
How many times? You don't listen. Literally, you don't listen. It's like you listen to your friends,
Yes.
but you don't listen to what I say. If I tell you to do something, you don't bother doing it. But if your friends tell you exactly what I would have told you, you go ahead and do it. So what's the point of us being together?
Yeah.
Go and be with your friends.
Yeah.
Because clearly, when they tell you what I tell you,
Yes.
you listen to them.
Yeah.
But when I tell you, you don't listen.
Yeah.
So what's the point? Go and be with them because I am hurtful. I'm done.
Yeah. So, my brother, what is trying to say to you? She's done. And I hope you understood.
Isn't there a way of resolving it?
How? How? Because she's hurtful and she's been telling you about you drinking too much. And you said you drink little with her and bigger with the gents.
Hey, man, it's not always like that, man.
Not only that, when it comes to Bryce, I think ever since I've been with him, I've only gone to 2 Bryce. But every Sunday, he's always going for a braai with his friends who go with their girlfriends.
Yeah, boy.
So who is he going with?
I'm going by myself and my friends.
Wow. And your friends with their Marys.
Hey, man, sometimes Anita is tired or she's not feeling well.
Please. No. Do not lie.
Do not.
Do not lie.
Do not.
Even your sister, I told her.
No, man.
Your
Anita.
aunt, I told her.
Yeah.
I do offer Anita for us to go together.
No,
but then she's
you
not
don't.
feeling well.
No, No. That one I refuse. No.
Yeah.
How many times did your sister say to you, whenever you're going out, go with her? How many times?
How many?
How many times?
It's been quite a few times. I'm not gonna
Exactly.
lie,
And
Anita.
how many times have you taken me with you? Twice.
In a braai. Twice. But every Sunday you are on a braai. You eat all this meat alone. Why are you doing this?
It's in a spur moment.
Everything is in a spur moment. Everything. In a spur moment. Hey.
I'm so sorry, man, Anita, man. You feel this way.
She doesn't love you anymore. Sister ngicela umtshele nalapho uthi asamthanda because he thinks that I'm the one that is saying to him I don't love him. No, it's not me, my
Are
brother.
you hearing what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm jealous, sister.
Are you hearing?
Hearing.
When I'm saying I'm heartful.
Yeah.
I am tired. I'm heartful.
Oh, it's in Africa
I
to hard for
don't love you anymore.
Yeah. Because,
Akiri, you've got your friends that you go with.
and you drink too much.
You listen to them.
Maar ek is nog lief vir jou, Anita.
No. Don't tell me that bullshit. That bullshit worked before. Not now. I don't love you. Go and love your friends. Not me. I'm done.
Julle klaar.
I'm done.
Klaar.
Done.
Hulle totsie.
Eish. So there's no way of resolving
Nothing.
this, Anita.
No.
I'm sorry, brother. It's over, mfethu.
Hey,
But
man.
at least she said to us, we must give you something. Welcome, Nigo put something for the way. You're gonna take a taxi there. You see there? Check there. There, you're gonna take a taxi. You go to Bree, taxi rank. A Bree one for you. Bree one, you get your taxi. Bree two,
Anita,
me.
is this what you want?
That's exactly what I want. And good luck with your life.
No more coming and visiting in Joburg. In a flat.
Maar ek is nog lief vir jou, man, Anita.
Hey, please. Ash.
Huh?
But khawuleza unikeze futhi rand ahambe.
Yeah. It's gone.
Is hy waar jy soek, Anita?
Klaar.
Huh?
And he's
I don't even want to hear your voice. It's irritating me.
Yeah. You see now you are.
It's
But
irritating
it's
me.
unfair, man.
No, it's very fair.
It's
it's
unfair.
very
You're
fair.
not even giving me opportunity.
Now you want an opportunity. What of all these years? You want an opportunity now? Now. How many opportunities did I give you?
You missed your opportunity.
How many opportunities did I give you?
I know I made a few mistakes.
A
man.
few. Ash, think again. Think before you talk. I always tell you, think before you talk. You are saying a few. And tell me, do you even know the definition of a few?
It just happened a couple of times.
A couple of times. What's the
Anita.
definition of a couple of times?
The guys, 2 brides, 2, only 2 brides. But you, how many Sundays in a year?
Exactly. How many Sundays in a year? There's 2 Sundays in a year.
It was a spur thing.
A spur thing for 50 Sundays. It was a spur thing. 50 Sundays.
I let the alcohol get control of me, man.
That's not my problem. Go to AA.
There is a rehab for smoking cigarettes.
There is.
Oh.
He needs to go there. He knows it because I've given him leaflets on it. He can go there. I'm done. I'm hurtful. I am done.
I think you can give me another chance.
No, there's no other chance. How many chances do you
Ash,
want?
No.
How many chances?
Ash, welcome, take Ash.
I
No.
will.
Ash, no.
Anita.
No, Ash.
Ewanna.
You're trying to raise your voice now, right, Ash. Please, he will walk you to the taxi. Yeah. Thank you for representing Bafana, South Africa. Thank you, man. Sister, inxusa le lokhuzana
Ngale Bafana.
le South Africa. Yaxolisa uHatford ne.
Kakhulu.
Ish. Ma sister uzokwenza njani njengoba ususengile? Uzomthola omunye umusha?
uNkulunkulu uzonikeza omunye ongcono futhi.
Ish. Siyaxolisa manje ukuthi ulahlekele ubhuti uEsh. Kodwa bese kuyisikhathi.
Hayi isikhathi sakhona vele bese singani bese sifikile. The bell was ringing nje.
Ayingikuthi.
Yeah, bese ukhale nje ezithu bese kushele nje eyi1 ukuthi ding. Iyona le sishayile ke manje.
Ubhuti welcome uzo-escort to the car and then sokuhambisa endlini.
Hayi ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga nathi sister. Khululeka usafe. But welcome, please escort her. Ay. jola ubone. I'm telling you, but Eshe inxusa la South Africa, proudly South African, ayingeke besihluphe kakhulu. Twa ayi amankwebevu kuthiwa uphuza ukweleke. Do the right thing though. Take me straight home. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. But some demand to Mabuyu, Bampolunu, class. Welcome to Angie Sakufu. On this show is where I give people a platform to break up. No way, break it up now. Hey! What made you go to Why the food? Why the Why